Good morning! So today is Friday. Maagang nagising ang lahat. Hindi kami nagmamadali. Hindi malilate si Bella. Naka-breakfast na din si Bella at na ayos ko na yung buhok niya. Yung buhok ko na lang yung hindi. Ang hirap kasing suklayin pagbasa. Tapos long hair na tayo. So nag-prepare din ako ng mga extra damit ni Bella kasi nung pumunta kami sa mall kahapon, na nagamit ko yung mga damit niya na nasa bag. Nagpalit kami kasi nadumihan yung damit niya. Let's go! What are you making? Come.
No, dito kinamay.
We will play after school, okay?
No, dito kinamay.
Sit down, Bella.
Down in the jungle where nobody.
Ingat po. We are back home and I'm gonna cook breakfast for Jenny and I. Let's eat breakfast together. Still sleepy kasi maaga kaming gumigising na. Finally, I can relax kasi tulog na si Bella. Kanina pala, sinundo namin siya ng 11 a.m. Tapos, pinalaro namin siya konti doon sa playground sa school. Yung may swing at may slide. Kaso, cover siya ng cover ng face niya. Kasi bright. Ayaw niya kasing ang mainit. Sabi niya, Mama, it's too hot. Kaya hindi ko siya pinalaro. Inuwi ko na lang siya. Tapos yung classmate niya, hinihila-hila siya. Tapos siya ganun lang siya ng ganun. Sabi ko, uwi na lang tayo, Bella. Are you tired, Bella?
Naglaro ka lang doon sa school ata.
Napagod siya, te.
Ha?
Napagod. Kami ng bahay, 11:30. Naglaro lang siya ng Play-Doh. Tapos after 1 hour, naghingi siya ng milk. So after ni Bellang uminom ng milk, pinatulog ko na siya kaagad. Kasi yung mata niya yung parang pipikit na. Pero ang tagal kasi matulog ni Bella kahit inaantok na siya. Kailangan pang isayaw. Nasanay kasi siya dati nung maliit siya. Si Babushka lagi yung nagpapatulog sa kanya for 1 year. So lagi siyang binubuhat. Kaya ngayon, nasanay siya. Kailangan ko siyang buhatin para makatulog talaga siya. So pinatulog ko siya ng mga 30 minutes na buhat-buhat lang. Kaya laging masakit yung likod ko kasi hanggang ngayon, karga ko pa din siya kapag pinapatulog. Ayan, gising na si Bella. 3 hours siyang natulog.
Not hot.
What's that, mommy?
Okay. Done. Let's eat, Other.
Where we have
Where?
hot and
Yogurt?
orange.
Where do we have yogurt?
Huh?
Where do we
And
have in the?
up to
Huh?
A refrigerator.
Huh? What's that?
later.
Huh? Refrigerator?
Refrigerator.
Refrigerator. Okay.
So guys, mag-grocery muna kami kasi wala kaming food sa bahay.
The rope.
And then on the unit. Oh! It's a little bit too Look at it tending.
Careful.
Remember I was told.
What do you think? What's inside? Maybe Cowboy Woody or Buzz Lightyear? Oh, you see? I had it in my childhood. Wait, wait, wait. Now we need to open the egg. Oh, here is the title. Yeah, mommy. You can eat some.
Shoot!
Yeah.
What's this?
Show me what did you get.
No, it's just hold it.
Buzz Light? Okay, Buzz Light. Who is that, Belle? Who is that?
But like hero.
Buzz Light Hero.
Mama, Auntie have a mouth. Say hi, Kamala.
Hi! Hi, Buzz Light! To infinity and
Iyon.
beyond. Ito po lahat yung mga nabili namin. Andito na kami sa bahay. Nag-grocery kami kanina dun sa SNR. Bella, what did you buy in SNR? What did you buy in SNR? You bought that egg, right? And we bought bread. What we bought, Belle? Say something.
I'm not something apple and pineapple.
Yeah, we bought
Pineapple.
apples, pineapples. What else? Ito pala yung Play-Doh na binili namin kahapon doon sa Toys R Us. So, bumili kami ng 3 kulay. Red, green, at yellow. So, ito na siya ngayon. Yung iba tumigas na kasi nga pinapabayaan ni Bella na nasa floor or sa table. Yeah, look at that mess, guys. Favorite niya yung maglaro ng Play-Doh. Hindi siya advisable for below 3 years old, pero pinapalaro ko lang si Bella kasi nga with guidance naman. What?
Don't talk.
You don't want me to talk? Okay. So, yan. Favorite niya din yung Paw Patrol. Who is this, Belle? Who is this?
Motto.
Marshall. So, mura lang pala to. Ito ay 49 pesos. Nabura na yung
Look at the
4.
color.
Ha?
What do you think? What's inside?
Can I have some chocolate?
Yes, you can. Let's open it first. Okay, this one from Bella. Okay, now open the toy.
Thank you for the burger, Papa. Dessert time.
Cheers.
Cheers. Chut chut.
What's that?
Your yogurt is on your face.
Let's check. It's a cowboy.
What's inside?
Woody.
Oh, you found cowboy la. You got cowboy.
They don't know.
Oh, we have Buzz Light and we have the cowboy. Yay!